In this video, we'll go over how to set up Real Estate Info Connect. After logging in, go to your dashboard and click on Events. Click on Add New Event. Enter a title, such as the street address. You can enter a short description if you like. After visitors sign in to your open house, they will be tagged. The tag is created from the title, along with the event ID, which we generate. If you would like to upload an image, click Select File. Then select Files. Choose your image. Click Select. If you would like to link to an external URL, toggle Display URL to On. Enter the address of the property and choose from the drop-down. Enter the display text for the URL, like floor plan or property details. Enter your external URL. Click Save. To see your event page, click on the link below the flyer. After a few seconds, the sign-in prompt will appear. Since you are signed in, the prompt looks a little different. The visitors will see this version because they won't be signed in to our site. A flyer has been automatically generated for this event. To download it, click Download Flyer. To edit it, click Edit Flyer. And you will be taken to the QR codes page. You can edit the text. Set whether sign-in is required to receive the information. Edit text on the sign-in prompt. When you are done, click Update, and then Download. To create a flyer with an image, like this one, scroll down and download a PNG version of the QR code. Then click Templates. Click to edit. You can edit the template on Google Drawings. After you are logged in to your Google account, click on File. Then make a copy. To replace an image, click on Image. And then Replace Image. Replace the QR code here with the QR code that you just downloaded by using Replace Image. To edit text, click on the text and edit. When you are done, you can click on File to download. You can offer specific information, such as floor plan, comps, disclosure package, sale history, or other relevant information. You can also use the QR code on your property flyers and offer information that doesn't fit on the flyer, like a floor plan or more images. Another good place for a QR code flyer is at for sale signs, so visitors can scan for a digital copy when the paper flyers run out. To provide the information offered on the QR code flyers, you can provide an external URL, which you can set up on the events page. Or, you can set up an auto email by clicking on the email icon. Click Create Responder. You are now on the email setup page. The subject and the title of the email has been pre-filled with the title of the open house. You can edit it if you like. There is suggested text that you can edit. You can insert your name and contact info. If you want to attach a file, click on Attachments. Click Select. The period between start date and end date is when an email will be automatically sent to a user who signs in. Click on More Options. If you like, you can insert a link to your business website or to property details. The recipients of the email have been set as subscribers who sign in to the property you just created. Click Preview to see what the email will look like. Click Save. If this is your first time setting up an email, click on Settings. Enter an email address you would like your contacts to reply to. Your business name is always displayed as the sender. If you don't set a reply email address, when your contacts click to reply to your email, they'll see a no reply email address. If you enter an email address, then they'll be able to reply to your email. After you enter your email, click Update. And then back to Updates. If you go to the saved email and click Preview, you'll see that the reply address has changed to the reply email address you just entered. You are now done with the setup. If you change your mind and don't want users to receive an email, just click on Delete. On the day of the open house, display the flyers at the entrance or around the house. After your visitors scan the QR code, they will see the event page, then the sign-in prompt. If you've set up an automated email, then they will receive an email after they sign in. Or they can click on the link on the event page to access more information on the property. While at the open house, you can go to the customers page and see visitors' info as they sign in. After the open house, if you would like to export your contacts, you can click on Bulk and then Export CSV. Or you can manage your contacts on this page and set up marketing emails on the Email Setup page.